To access the company page from the main dashboard, locate and select the Company Action button. To add new users, navigate to the Additional Contact section and select the Add Action button. Enter the necessary contact information and click Save to save the details. To send an invitation to the new contact, select Send Invitation. To make changes to the contact information, select the Edit action icon. To modify the permissions for the contact, navigate to the Permissions section and select the permissions while deselecting any unneeded ones. Once completed, click Save to save the changes. If an invitation needs to be canceled, select the Cancel Invitation action icon. Note that the Permission section will not be visible when editing a contact after the invitation has been sent. To delete a contact, select the Delete action icon. Once all details have been entered, save the client's information.